Here's a neat trick. I've got a sketch here, and this is for a question about a person who's trying to extrude something and their features are disappearing. So I've got a sketch here, and I'm going to recreate that. So I'm going to extrude the sketch. When I click on it here, extrude this out. Oh, come on. Extrude. There we go. Extrude this out. The eyeballs from the sketch disappear. And so this happens when a profile is not closed. So here's how you figure out what profiles aren't closed and how to fix them. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit the sketch, zoom in here, and I'm going to make a line just randomly on my sketch from here to about right there. Okay. Now, if I take and I move this right here, now I can mouse over and this is a closed profile. Move it a little further over. Okay. This is a closed profile. That's good. And this is a closed profile. But this is not. So the only corner that's left on here is this guy right here. If I zoom way in, sure enough, these two lines don't touch. Let me bring these over, glue them together. And now that's a closed profile. Okay. We're not done yet. So this part down here is also not a closed profile. So I could, if this was more complex geometry, I could zoom in, make sure it's on this corner. But now I've got a pretty good idea of where it's broken at. So pick those two and coincident constraint them. And there you go. So now this is a closed profile. Move my line out of the way. This closed profile. Let's check this other guy. See if he's got the same problem. Yep, this part is fine, but these aren't. So we'll zoom in. Put those together. Constraints. Coincidence. Same thing. Coincident. Now it's a closed profile. Last but not least, I delete my trusty line there. Finish the sketch. And now I should be able to extrude it. And that's perfect. Hope that helps.